Hello, my name is Ronald from Food Staff Salinas. Today, I want to talk about something that's crucial in our industry. Safe work practices. Without them, the consequences can be severe. Imagine facing costly fines and regulatory sanctions. These numbers aren't just figures, they are a major setback, affecting your business financially and operationally. Now think about losing your customers' trust. When safety is compromised, so is your brand's reputation. This is a loss that's hard to quantify, but even harder to recover from. And what about the risk of production halts? Unscheduled stops mean lost revenue, and for us in the food manufacturing and processing industry, time is always of the essence. At Food Staff Salinas, we believe in prioritizing safety above all. Investing in your employees' safety training isn't an option, it's a necessity. Let's work together to ensure the safety of our food, our workers, and our businesses.